Hello, I'm here and I'm going to be watching one of my requested videos called Pterodactyl Watches the 4th of July Fireworks Grounded. What's he gonna say? Now his dad is like kind of mad. His dad knows why. And there he goes. He breaks his rule. And there's his friends. He sure could. Oh yeah, Julie, Simon Blue, and Evil Dodger. Just look at that band-aid on his cheek. And now, they watch the fireworks get a little boring. Maybe to here. What happens 1 hour later? Oh, his dad is furious. How did his dad know? Dang. And there he goes crying.